This is a USB drive. Not a normal one, a naked USB drive from 2012. And today we are going to see what lurks from this naked USB drive I found. Let's see what's on it, shall we? Okay, so just plug it in and it does not show up.
Bruh.
Thank God I got it to show up. It wasn't plugged in all the way, but now it is, and it says USB drive F, which is a very nostalgic name. So let's see what's on this drive. Okay, so now I'm on the laptop right here with this USB drive plugged in, and we got some exciting media. Files from 2006 all the way to 2012. So let's see what's there. Okay, so Adobe Reader. I don't want to install this. I don't know if it's malware or not, but Adobe Reader. Wow. That's great. I don't know, what would you use Adobe Reader for? Wait, let me search that up. Hold on. What do you use Adobe Reader for? Oh, it's a PDF viewer. Oh, so I think this was before Acrobat released. So yeah, okay. Google Talk. Wow. That's a long time ago. And what is this? Should I open it? Should I? I don't know. What is this? Right? No. I have to find out. This is another Adobe Reader, I think. I have no idea. Now these 4 folders: DCIM, games, LimeWire, and sample pictures. We'll go from boring to most fun. So sample pictures. Blue Hill. Wow, Blue Hills. Sunset. Nice sunset. Water lilies. Those are some nice water lilies. And winter. Where do you get these photos from? But that seems to be the entire sample pictures folder. LimeWire. Now I know what LimeWire is. It's a pirate site, and I don't condone piracy, definitely. But I don't know. I wasn't born back then. But should I? I'm not gonna open it. Oh man, I need Java runtime. But I have Java. Look, Java is right here. Okay, buy LimeWire Pro. Can I buy LimeWire Pro? Page not found. Oh man. Root. This says 2020. I don't know who has been on this. I have no idea why does it say 2020. Why does it say 2020? But that's LimeWire. And games. Autobahn, BMX tricks, Bubbles, PowerPoint slideshow, car parking lesson, PowerPoint slideshow, drunk driving, knife throw, parking, and whack-a-mole. Now these are Microsoft Excel 97. Okay, actually it's 97 2003. But like, how do you could play games in Excel? Hold on, let's see. Open Tech Radio. What's happening? Okay then, what's the next one? Parking.xls. Parking. Okay, it's loading. I'm gonna give it some time. Okay, so it has been some time and Adobe Genuine Service Alert just popped up. Adobe, what is wrong with you? Let me do my stuff in peace. And it's still not loading. Still it's not loading. Stupid Adobe Genuine Software. Die. Okay, it's still loading, and sheet 2, sheet 3. No, Still loading, and absolutely nothing's happening. So okay, that's parking. Knife throw. Oh, I don't think this will work. No way. It's an X. Seriously, an X? Nope, I don't think any of these work. Drunk driving. Oh, I want to play this so bad. I think it's because I'm on a modern computer and this game folder is from 2011. So now DCIM. Let's see what photos are there. Okay, there are lots of photos. So let's just see. Okay, the sunset. Wow, these are good photos. A lake. A hotel. I guess a pool. That's a great pool. Okay, this seems to be another lake. Rocks. It's a beach. Seems to be a beach. A rock. Again. The rock. Sunset. Oh, it's like the stairs of a lighthouse, maybe? Wow. People. Lighthouse. That's a nice lighthouse. I've never gone to a lighthouse in my life. Fish tank? I guess. Are those fishies? Are these fish? That's a fish. Yeah, it's probably a fish tank. A chicken? What is that? I have no idea what that is. What are these? Flowers. This is super high quality. What? Outdoors? Maybe? Okay, some beer. Beer, okay. A cocktail. Close up of a cocktail. Mountain Dew. Wait, let me rotate this around. How do I rotate it? Okay, it seems to be Mountain Dew. Wow. Another Mountain Dew. Oh my god, why are these so high quality? This looks like something I would take today. It's a beach. A pool. That is one. The pool is empty. It's an empty pool. Sunglasses. Ooh. Egg. Wow, eggs. Beans, eggs, bacon, and whatever that thing in the middle is. So this is a tasty breakfast. And that's it. I think that's the entire USB drive. This was the most boring video I've ever made. So bye I guess.